This one 2,000. The one in your hand.
So our market, different something is here.
Hello, my lovely family. Welcome to Ile-epo market in Lagos. It's a popular market located along the Lagos-Abeokuta Expressway, around Abule Egba and Agege. For Lagos residents living on the mainland, use this market to purchase food commodities at low prices. The market boasts of providing varieties of grains, tubers, vegetable, fruit, and oil, including frozen fruits to customers in bulk. It is closer to people living in Agege, Abulegba, Yanokbaja, Alimosho, Ogba, and other surrounding areas.
So guys, at my back is the entrance to Ile-epo market here in Agege. How much power? 500. Yes, which one is this? How much? What about the crayfish? Secret. How much your rice?
20 avec les gars.
20.
600.
No, I'm not buying no fuel. Zana is not buying. I don't need that.
Hello, Njale. Hello, Lele.
Mọ́mí olùkọ́ wà gàrí wà.
Yes, ma'am. Ewo Lele. Ewo Lele.
Mọ́mí ẹ̀ máa bọ̀ àti mi. Ẹ máa bọ̀ bàtà.
Hello, Leta.
Fẹ́ fi wọ̀n yín ní 35 ni. Eléyìí 35, eléyìí 37.
Mama, you do what you want.
Ẹ wò.
Kò ní pẹ́ torí ọlọ́.
So, eléyìí tóbi ju eléyìí lọ.
Eléyìí. Mo wọn eléyìí kú mo wọ̀n sí eléyìí o. Eléyìí tóbi ju eléyìí lọ. Ìyá ẹ̀jẹ̀ bí òun leléyìí. Eléyìí ó pa.
Mo ti rí. Hello, le wa ta. What's it called? Elubula fún
Paint àbí garawa.
paint.
Paint is 3,000.
Hello, wa Njale.
Ẹ wò fún àwọn ìlú ní ilé dọ́kítà ní 3,000.
Àwọn ike gan ẹ ti ń confuse wa pẹ̀lú àwọn ike ọ̀dà yìí.
Mo ń ṣe gbogbo èèyàn ló máa sọ pé ìbá ṣe bí tẹ́ bá nà ní tẹ́ bá nà lè máa gbé lọ ní ṣe tí tẹ́ bá nà lọ máa gbé fún yín.
much is yellow garri?
3,400.
For paint? 3,400. How much for bag? 48. And that's the last price. 47 last. 334. Hello everyone, welcome to another beautiful video. Welcome to Ile-epo market here in Agege, Lagos State. So guys, I'll be taking you inside this market. This is Ile-epo market. I will say actually at Agege, and it's opposite a CAC Agbala Itura at Agege. So you can get virtually everything you want inside this market. So guys, let me take you inside as we get and see what they sell and also know the current price of foodstuffs here in Ilepo. Is it cheaper than my 12? Guys, you get to know in this video. So guys, let's get inside this video. They weigh 500. How much fish?
I don't know yet.
Which one? 1,000. What about this one? This is 2,000. This is not shower now. These are good. No shower.
Ẹja.
How much a wedding? This big one. 1,700. How big is it? I can't carry. 1,700. It's big. Yo, the lily. Don't fancy yo. That's the last price. Is it the same size with that one? 1,700. Okay, 500. Okay, this one is 1,000. This is 500. Oh. You don't sell small one of this type. 500. Do you sell? Okay, I'm coming. How much Ghana? 500.
Wash. Hey. Wash.
How much crayfish? How much for paint rubber?
Paint rubber is 6,000. How much you pay?
6,000, 5,000.
Only 5,500.
That's the last price.
How much you want? Can you answer?
I say 5,000. You're telling me.
Now, paint you want buy. Test am now. No, test am before you buy. Huh? Now, paint you want buy.
Yes. Ma, àbọ̀n ti rẹ́lẹ̀.
Wọ́n ti rà yẹn.
Èló ni?
Ìyẹn ẹ fún mi 3,500.
Èló jalẹ̀?
Ìlẹ́fẹ́ rà.
2,000 mo ti dá
Ẹ
yín.
mú 2,500. Ilẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀.
How much for father? Ma? Paint.
This one is 12,000. This one is 13,000.
This one 12, this one 13. And that's the last price, ma.
How much do you want to pay? It's not free. Check it as things.
Ẹ ṣe táwọ́. Èló lọ́wọ́ ilé? Ele 1, 2. Ele nǹkan? 1,500. What about this one? 500.
Beer water.
Èló ni lámù? Bẹ́ẹ̀, èló ni kí ọ̀dà? Ma? 3,500. Èló la half?
1,700.
Jálẹ̀ dẹ̀ ni. Èló ni gbìn? Jumbo yín dà. Ṣẹ́yìn kọ́ lẹ́nu yẹn.
Sister mi lónìí. Eléyìí tó.
Jumbo yín dà. Ilé tí wàá kéré.
Ó yẹ gbé síra wọn. Ẹ wo nǹkan ẹ̀
Èló wà ní jumbo?
60,000.
60. Mélòó?
20 ọwọ́ ni.
Madam èló ni jálẹ̀?
Big mommy èkó sí bí ti lọ kó sí ní jumbo mi.
Àwa ní òjò náà.
Big mommy. Òjò gbogbo a máa ń bìlì pé tí nǹkan kan bá jẹ́ sísè nǹkan pé ó máa ń gbá wọn. Ṣé ó dìbò rán ní the heavy rain ni? Ó máa gbá wọn lọ. Ó dìgbà tí àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ ẹni àwọn òde tó máa ń rọ̀
Ó ní tó next sí.
tó next sí lélẹ̀.
Ilé nǹkan, ṣé nǹkan ni?
Eléyìí ju eléyìí.
Mo bèrè jumbo.
Ìjókòó òun náà nìyí.
Oh, same thing ni àwọn méjèèjì yìí.
Òun rèé ṣe ti rí wọn.
Èló wà ní big tó next sí?
Eléyìí nìsín ló next eléyìí ló next sí lè.
Èló lélẹ̀?
Eléyìí 45 dalẹ̀.
45.
45 dalẹ̀. Eléyìí 45.
45. Èló?
35.
Èló?
35.
40.
No, I'm
35.
one way there. Thank God you pay.
Ilẹ̀ tún tọ̀ gẹ̀dẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Èló ni bunch? Ah. Èwo ló ní pọ̀jù náà? Àwọn ilé ìtẹ̀ tí ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ tó gbó dáadáa ni. Èló ni? 12,000 plantain. Èló làwọn ilé? Ọwọ́ kan. Ṣé dọ́sìn lẹ́yìn ká ni?
Dọ́sìn ni wọ́n wọ́n wọ ẹlòmíì ò mọ̀ ákọ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ àgọ́ ṣe sọ pé ṣé dọ́sìn náà
Èló ni dọ́sìn?
6,000 jálẹ̀
6,000.
ayọ̀ ẹ wà ṣe fẹ́ wò kò sí
Only one does the lima.
10,000.
10,000.
Ilé 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. Ghana lele, Badagry làwọn. Ghana lele.
Èyí ti rí lára wọn.
Promo. Àpò tí yàrá yòlò. Tí ló ń ṣe promo. Wọ́n ní sẹ́múlẹ̀ ló ń wà mọ́. Sẹ́múlẹ̀ lọ. Àwọn vigilante. Mo ń sáré bọ̀ látọ̀ pé ẹ̀yin ní vigilante. Ẹ̀yin ní vigilante, mo ní vigilante kí tún yóò. Vigilante ò tún ní o.
Báwo lè ṣe ta gàdú ní? Èlò lọ. Okay, 15. Èlò ni? Èlò ni gba white?
Ẹ mọ̀ pé tí bá ṣe gíríkì bẹ́ẹ̀ ó máa jábọ́. Bá lè jábọ́ mi ní fífi mọ́ tó bẹ́ẹ̀ mo ti ra fi tù. Tí ra tẹ̀lé sórí.
Kò lè gbà. How do you sell?
Which size you want, ma?
Okay, see size by size. I want the one with water.
Get water. I will select
How do you sell? How many you dey sell? I don't know how you dey sell.
now 150. Depends on the size.
How much for the 50?
Now size wey you keep.
See that side when dey your hand side. No, back. Hand, that one dey your tip like this. Hand. For hand, for 50 pieces, 2,200. How much you be? Ma'am? 200. How much plantain? 6,000.
Carry your own.
How much? How you dey sell?
How many you want buy?
That's what you be inside.
Now like this, maybe them
How much?
Yeah, like how many you want buy?
One.
One.
How much? You said?
You want?
1,400. Is that the last price? 1,000.
Eh?
1,000. So it's 1,400. What about this small one?
Oh yeah, let me be one thing.
I have come.
I'm not gonna let it come.
How they come? Ṣé bí la máa ti wà bíbí? Èlò lélẹ̀? San wẹ́wẹ́ mà. Èlò ni ke?
Ike 2,000.
This bucket?
2,000.
2,000, the last price.
Ìdarí eléyìí 4,000 lélẹ̀ tí wọ́n béèrè. 2,000 lélẹ̀.
This one is 4,000, this one is 2,000. And that's the last price now.
Eléyìí 2,000 ní jálè.
How you dey sell them? This one 500. 300. That's the last price now. This one not great 200. 200. Where you go for 650 naira?
This one, 400. This one, 200.
How many on buy?
I don't understand. This one is 10,000. Okay, 5,000 for bucket. And that one 2,000. 1,000 for that small plate. So how long will I keep it before it ripe? How much for sack? Yes. 90.
Which one?
How do you sell them? How many is your hand? How many hand? 40. It's 42. So how much is 42 for this one? So which one they count? So you can't only small ones.
Those one. This one, of course.
Okay.
This one, 3,000.
How do you sell this paint rubber for this one? This paint for this one?
This one?
Yeah.
2,200.
2,200. What about for that one?
2,600.
2,600. Wow. And that's the last price. Gaskia?
Yes, yeah, 2,000. 2,600.
So how do you sell your garbage?
Which one?
The big one.
Big one, I can sell 2,000. 1,700. 2,500 a day. What will be the same price?
Oh, yeah, I know it's, but the highest is 2,000, right?
2,000. 2,500. 1,500. What are they?
What about your carrots?
1,000. 2,000.
How many kg, or you just pick them? Do you measure or you just pick? How much is this? 1,000. So guys, this is Ile-epo market and it's a very busy market. In fact, maybe because today is even Saturday, it gets more busier. So guys, and things are really cheap at this market. So guys, we have different sections. We have where they sell the provisions. We have the farmer's farm where you can get all your farm produce freshly harvested from the farm. So guys, let's get inside and get the current price of different farm products here in Ile-epo market. Hello, Lapo rice. 74 imported, Abi. Wow. And that's the last price. You don't have Nigeria. Is this the rice? Hello, let's take it. Epo.
5,000. You got 5,000. Epo, 900.
Ṣé mo lè taste? Díẹ̀ náà.
Oúnjẹ sàmó jẹrẹ.
Okay, ma. Mo máa ṣe dé. Kásánà. Èló ni òyìnbó ṣu? Gbódò bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Èló lẹ́ ń ta Garawa. Hello, Garawa. 20. 22 jàlẹ̀. Kò wá gba 20. Èyí tó dẹ̀ gbẹ ni.
Mọ́mí ẹ wọlé ìfiri oko rèé máa o. Báyìí mọ́mí ìfiri oko tó kù.
Hello wá ní láfún. Ike èwo ń bẹ̀? Ike ọ̀dà. 3,000 jálẹ̀. Ẹ máa ta mà. How much for our beans? How much? Which one is this? Èwo leléyìí? From Ike ọ̀dà. 9,500. 9,500. Olóyin ńkọ́? 10,500. Hello wá ní white? 8,500.
Ìṣeré tó bá tó ti di 3,000.
eléyìí ò wọ́n tó lè.
Èló ni kélé?
eléyìí ò wọ́n.
Okay, yẹn 3 hello lè ṣé Ìjẹ̀bú lélẹ̀? 3,500, 3,700. Ẹ ṣì.
Èló ni ẹ̀wà? Èló lẹ̀wà? Ike. No, ike.
How much potato? 7,500.
Which one?
Hello lélẹ̀? Ike ọ̀dà. 12,000. Hello jálẹ̀? Wá gba 10. Kò gba 10. Okay. How much? Yes. 13.
This one, 5.
And that's the last price
Which one?
for this one.
12 plus.
So you not give this one 10.
This one, a which quarter? How much you say quarter? Quarter 13, you say quarter? 6.
How much is bag?
Quarter.
No bag. Yeah?
56.
56.
Hey, this one, you know, you can
This one is the standard.
Yes,
How much egusi? No, for paint rubber. 6,000. Which one be the Sibo or Yoruba? How much for this one for paint rubber? No, paint rubber.
Paint is 12,005.
Hey,
I'll give you 12,000.
12,000.
Now pure pepper. How many of this?
How they come, my bread? How much yam? Now which type of yam be this? Abuja. How much for this one? Waiting, 8,000. This one in my hand carry. This one that I can carry 8,000.
Not inside. You not get power down. 335.
These ones are too small now. See, 3,500.
That's 3,000. That one is 7,000.
What about this side?
That one 7,000.
No, the one in your front.
This one 9,000.
9,000. Jale.
That one 7,000. Gale. This one 3,000. You don't like.
How much is it? This one, how much? 4,500. 3,000. Hey. Sorry, madam. Is this guy?
Make it 250.
How much for that one, yeah?
Nana, bring that. Let me say this. This is a guarantee.
Oga,
Guarantee Abuja.
how much this one, yeah?
Say last price, I'll be price.
Last price,
7,000.
7,000.
7,000.
What about those ones?
Èmi ló kàn. Ó ṣe kejì. Ó ṣe kẹta.
7,000 last.
Even me and Sabo, this one no go down. Wallahi, I hold them. Even me and Alan, I hold them. Even me and Kok, this one no go down.
Madam, very nice.
How much on it? This bag? Yes. 90. Is everything 90? I be some 90, some 60, 70. So which one? The smallest bag is 90,000. No, I'm just asking for the price now. Now, wow. Yes, I want to know the price. I'll buy bag.
Wow. I have to do it later.
No, I want to get the price.
Okay, later. Later you come back.
Okay. How do you sell them?
1,000, 8,000, 10,000.
Okay, everything is 10,000.
Alhaji say where I sawa 500.
Okay, all this one 8,000. Huh? Okay, all this one. Doctor, okay. I not be doctor.
Let me come back.
Báwo lè ṣe tọ́sí? Má? Ètò bá ṣàtì lórí tó bá lè lè bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ẹ wo sáìsì. Èlò. Má? 2,000. Ilé wa ṣe 1,500. Díẹ̀ náà mo fẹ́ rẹ̀ tí máa mú. Bí mo lè ṣe tí. Ó ní 200. Mélòó lẹ fẹ́ fa 200? Kò sí. Má?
Ọjà káwa náà ta tó rù pa wá báyìí tó ní kò ní tọ́jú. Ó yẹ kí ni wà mí tí mo ti sùn àti mo sùn látàlẹ́ àná.
Èlò lápò?
Ṣé àbí kí ni mo ta ní ọ̀sán?
9,000.
Tó bá ń ná ọjà tí ó ń ṣe.
Kọ́dà kó rí ń ta ẹ́.
My sister.
Èlò lẹ tẹ́lẹ̀ mọ́? Má? Fresh corn. Ẹ má worry o, let me check it out.
Crush like 300, 300, 300, 300.
Ṣé wọ́n ti pè ní? Tí ẹ̀ mú fẹ́. Èlò ni wọ́n ta. Má ṣe kí. Kí lẹ sọ? Ó ní 100. Kí ló máa ṣe fún mi? Táyọ̀ ò gbàdúrà kí nǹkan dẹrù ní Nàìjíríà. See, I like this one. Báwo lẹ ṣe lè?
Líle àwọn ìlú
Tọwọ́ lè ta. Mélòó lọ́wọ́?
ọwọ́ 1,850.
Bí a ti tajà lé yàtọ̀.
1,008.
25.
Èwo lẹ wá lè?
Sísọ lè tó ti bàbá tó fún ẹ tá àṣẹ dàgbà. Bàbá tó fún ẹ lọ́rọ̀ o.
Àǹtí mò ń bọ̀.
Èrò la ta o. I see you. Yeah, you come. I see you.
Aragiri forget.
Ọlọ́run ní kó fàánú ẹ̀gbà wá o. Àwa obìnrin kọ́lọ̀ má pé tí wá ń yà o.
Rárá, tóbìnrin bá ti wà tí ò bá ti yọ̀rẹ́ tí ò bá ti gbẹ́kẹ̀lé pé kọkùnrin wá ṣe kò ní sí wàhálà bọ̀ tí bá ti gbẹ́kẹ̀sí kọkùnrin wá ṣe ló máa di gbọ́n mi sí omi tó ẹ máa ta ma. Who is here? Hello ma. Hello wa bí? Bọ́dá Ọlá. Báwo lẹ ṣe tako? Èló la kò bọ́dá Ọlá? Sá? Kò wá gba 10 sá.
Golden tí wọ́n ń zi, golden gba 10.
Kí lẹ pé?
Golden tí wọ́n.
Golden.
Golden tí wọ́n yá yìí, kò gbà bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ̀. Gbogbo last week 9.
So tí bá fẹ́ ra èyí tó jù báyìí lọ the same price lẹ máa gbé fún 30,000.
Ṣé ní báàgì báyìí? Báàgì báyìí ló máa ta fún ibẹ̀. Báyìí ń ta báàgì anta 12, anta 13, anta 14. Tọ́jà bá ṣe ẹ̀dì anta 14 fún mi. Wọ́n ọjà tèmi ní ọjà nílé báyìí.
Ṣèbí èso lélẹ̀ báyìí.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, golden melon.
Golden melon.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ma.
Ó wà òkè.
Ṣé wọ́n lè mọ̀ kọ́ tó pè ní golden melon ni?
So this is feasting. This is Mr. Ola selling golden melon.
Yes.
So can you tell us what's golden melon all about for those that don't know about golden melon?
Oh. Golden melon yìí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹlòmíì ò mọ̀ ń pa ẹ̀.
Yes.
Bọ̀ tó bá tẹ̀sẹ̀ ńjọ́ kan, ó máa mọ̀ pé ọbẹ̀ tó dùn òun ló pa.
So báwo ni títà? How much do you sell this sacks?
Báàgì yìí sí báyìí ata 14,000, ata 10, and then ta 12. So tó bá ṣe ìjọjà fún wa ń gbà mí, tó bá yẹ kọjá ìjọṣẹ́ gbìdé ní sí báyìí, a máa ta 14. But tó bá ti wá ní kọjá yẹn ti wálẹ̀ díẹ̀díẹ̀, ó ti wá bí ọwọ́ sàn yẹn, a máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ bí a 13 or 12. A máa fi parí ọjà.
Now, do you weigh big to people? Like if somebody wants to make request on this golden melon, so can you share with us your contacts? So in case they want to call you, or when they are coming inside the market, they want to locate Mr. Ola to buy golden melon. So your number or your contacts.
Now it's not a problem. Anytime you need me, just call my this line. 081
081
21 38 20
86.
Olamilekon Samson.
Olamilekon Samson. So guys, patronize him. Enjoy this wonderful fruit here.
Thank you, ma'am.
So guys, welcome to Ile-epo market. This section is where they sell fruits. Whatever fruit that is in season, like I was told, that is what they sell here. But this period, it is corn and plantain in season. The market runs from Monday to Sunday, so anytime you can always come here and get whatever, especially when it comes to fruits. You have it here. If you want to locate this place, when you drop at the express, just tell them you are going to Ile-epo market where they sell fruits. They will direct you just from the outside. You just need to walk down, you get it, your fruit here. They have different fruits here, especially when it is in season. If it was mango season, you will have seen lots of mangoes here, but this period we are in corn season, plantain, though there's no plantain, but at least they still have some few plantain. Then you have some oranges. This is a truck at my back offloading orange. Then what did I see? Yes, some watermelon, pear. You have those things around, especially in this part of Ile-epo market. This is my sweet mommy here that sells here at this market. So she sells in this market. Mommy, kill and clothes.
Clothes. Okay. So our market, different something is here.
Different
both fruits, both pepper, vegetables, gari, rice, and so many things.
So they sell them here. One, ma, how do you say your corn? 500, 1,000. How often do you come here?
I make it true.
Okay.
I have outdoor.
Sorry, it's okay.
I have outdoor work. I'm not always around the market.
Okay.
So I sell any kind of fruit, and here in the market I also arrange fruit baskets of fruit for introduction and engagement.
Okay.
Yeah. So when they call me for outdoor work, not only to the market.
Okay. So if they come around and they want to locate and say, we saw you and want to patronize you when they come around, what's your contact or what's your name?
Contact, my name is Mommy Michael, known by people here in the market. But my number, that's my contact, 070-8431-4809.
Okay. You keep selling, no problem. People will patronize here. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm available for your fruit package for your engagement. When they ask you to bring fruit for your traditional marriage, some particular types of fruits, you can always contact Oju Olakwe Space at us to get you any type of fruits you want in the market. No, paint rubber. This is Yoruba Egusi. 2 for last. How much? This tatashe dried one. This one 2,000. The one in your hand.
5,000.
Okay, this one 10,000. How much is this one? 10,000. Wow. This is one paint rubber. Okay. For paint rubber, how much last? This one 4,000. How much for your? How much is soya milk? 4,000 naira. 4,000. Poroko head. How much this one, ma'am? She not there around. How much rice? Paint rubber. This one too na 6,000. I say paint rubber. Okay, old one 20. Is this old one now? Huh? Okay, this one is native Ogbonna. And this one is Badagry. How much is Ogbonna? Paint rubber. This one 26. Is it the same thing? This one 28. And this one 26. Okay, how much yellow Gary? 10. 3, 4. Okay, 1,000 for the Rika. Do you have shower? This shower. How much is your shower? 2,000. This one is 2,000. How much is Agbodo? 2,000. Last price. Look at the size of the shower. The shower is even more expensive than those. I know. Okay. Sorry, I want to get the prices. Sorry. How much is I remember. Oh, it's not a bowl. Wait, no, this is not a bowl. There's apple. Apple. Hey, this is apple. This is apple. How much do they sell this one? 5,000. Okay, 5,000, 3,000, 2,000, and that's your last price. But do you give discounts? Depending on how many you are buying. Okay, let me do it. Paint rubber. that the last price, sir? 7.5. It's on high side. Oga, 7,000. Oga, I be madam, how much? 4,000. Read the loan for la.
Okay. A bit much, no. Last.
Okay, this one not good. Sorry.
It's 3,500. I'm never 3,000. Take it 3,000.
How they sell? Oh, who is here? How they sell? This one.
I'm not shaming. Go select them. Go select them.
You know they sell carton like 100 or 50 pieces.
Now just a bit. If you don't select them.
Just do what? 1,200 novela, 1,230 novela.
Which one? How much for carton? For this size?
75. Mirrors.
Gale.
Guys, I noticed they also have a deco in this place inside this market. For this woman, the paint rubber is going for 12,000 naira. She said last. But remember when we priced it inside the market, I think the lady accepted 11,000 naira. Yeah.
Mommy,
Which one?
10 mini melo.
20,000.
Melo.
One is 20,000.
About 15.
No fee your customer.
This is big.
How much? 3,000. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Till I see you in my next video. Bye. Good night.